Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys, what I'm going to show you to do is how to extend the speaker or the loudspeaker cable of the Fortress security system. Alright. So if you have a Fortress security system, one that looks like this right here, you'll notice at the base we have two cables. One is power, the other is the loudspeaker, and the loudspeaker was installed externally. And of course guys, I'm going to show you what the loudspeaker looks like on screen. And as you can see right here, this is the loudspeaker, and it does come with a reasonable amount of cable. However, as you might be seeing on screen, it's sometimes not long enough to where you want to install the loudspeaker. So first of all guys, what I want to tell you is that most of the times it's installed on the outside, so you'll have to actually find a way to get the main end of the loudspeaker on the outside and place it somewhere where it is going to be out of the range or reachable range of anybody. And of course, while you send this on the inside of the house, you might find that it's a little bit short. So I've come up with a cool way of actually fixing the problem where the cable is too short. All right, so as I said guys, if you look right here, you'll notice the cable with the black and white. And of course, to extend this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually get something from Amazon. And what I got off Amazon is this cable right here. And as you can see, it's just an Amazon basic cable, and it's a 3.5 millimeter to male to female stereo cable, which is 25 feet or 7.62 meters. And as you can see here guys, they have it in various lengths, but of course you can get the 25 feet, and that will give you additional length on the speaker. And of course the cable can be used for several other reasons, such as extending the headphone jack of any device that you might have. So in order to do this guys, what I've done is I've already purchased the item. So as you can see here, bam, this is the item from Amazon, and it does say 25 feet cable, and it's a 7.62 meter cable. All right, so let's open this up, and as you can see here guys, we have the item in question, and this is the cable itself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this from the package right now, and as you can see here, this is the cable. Quite simple. This is a regular jack, and of course this end right here is where you would actually use to extend the loudspeaker. All right, so as you can see, it's Amazon branded, and to do this, all I'm going to do right now is just to show you that it actually works. So I'm just going to loosen one end. So I'm just going to make sure we have a little bit of reach right here, and of course all I'm going to do now guys is just put this between the device. So if you do check out right over here, so just look right along here guys. So here we go, and this is the end, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this end. So as you can see, this end actually matches this end, and they're both the same overall. And I do not know if this is going to work, but it should work by all intents and purposes. So what I'm going to do next with the 25 feet cable is just plug this one in instead. So as you can see right here, I'm just going to connect this. Alright, so with one end connected guys, as you can see, the black end is now connected here. I have the other end right here, which is the extension cable, which gives me quite the space. So what I'm going to do next and final guys is I'm going to take this end right now, and I'm going to connect it right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect, and as you can see, it is connected, and I can unreel this cable later on, and it will give me way more length. So once I unreel this, I can place this in a better position. So as you can see here guys, we are extending the Fortress security system, or the cabling of the Fortress security system. So as a test, what I'm going to do guys is I'm just going to quick test if the alarm system is still working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trigger the alarm. So just listen out right now. And here I have the SOS button.
Zone 1. System disarmed.
Alright, so as you see guys, it is working flawlessly. I'm hearing the external speaker. It's still working once I use this cable. So the experiment was successful. So in order to extend the reach of the Fortress security system, you can purchase a Amazon basic male to female stereo audio cable, and it will work up to a 25 feet. So that would mean that it would still work with a 12 feet and also with a 6 feet. Alright guys, this has been recorded from Block Tech Tips with another small experiment showing you that you can extend any form of cabling for a 3.5 mm male to male cable, right? So if you have a 3.5 mm audio jack or aux in port, you basically can use this. It would still work on your headsets. It can also work on anything that would work in a normal 3.5 mm audio headphone jack. Up to 25 feet, it still works quite fine. Alright guys, we're from Block Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.